Ever wondered what it's like to lead innovation at your college? Imagine hosting cloud hackathons, connecting with global tech minds, and unlocking AWS resources right from your campuses. So if you're passionate about cloud and community, it's your time to shine. AWS Cloud Club wants you as the next cloud captain. Ready to level up your college journey? Let's go. So firstly, what are AWS Cloud Clubs? So AWS Cloud Clubs are student-led communities for college and university students who want to dive deep into AWS technology and create impact where they study. So club organizes events, workshops, study jams, and meetups to help peers learn about AWS cloud computing and latest technology trends. The heartbeat of each club, the Cloud Club captain, the leader who drives the change and brings people together. Now, who can apply? So AWS is on the hunt for student leaders with age 18 plus and currently enrolled in a higher ed institution. It can be your university, college, or equivalent. A deep passion for cloud technology and community is the key. And you should be available to serve a 12-month term as captain, usually one per campus, right? So the ability and drive to organize events, create inclusive spaces, and inspire others is what they are looking for. And one more pro tip, you don't have to be an AWS expert. Curiosity, initiative, and leadership potential matters the most. Now, what does a captain actually do? As a Cloud Club captain, you will build and lead your campus technology community, fostering growth and inclusion. You should plan events from introduction to cloud workshops, speaker sessions with AWS experts, to full-blown cloud hackathons as well. And you will be responsible to connect your cloud members or club members with AWS credits, cloud learning resources, certification vouchers, and exclusive community swag. You will be receiving mentorship from AWS professionals, access global developers meetups, and collaborate with other cloud club captains internationally. So you being the ambassador for the cloud tech, simplifying the complex cloud concepts and igniting curiosity about AWS in your peer groups is the key. So as you reach milestones like your first event, you will unlock more AWS resources to support your club journey as well. Now, what's the role and responsibility of a great captain? So you should organize regular meetings and virtual events to help club members upskill, create welcoming, inclusive community that values learning, sharing, and innovation, continuously learning and sharing to stay updated with the latest technologies in AWS, and then teach the same to others as well. You should be networking with AWS professionals and student peers worldwide, and your impact goes far beyond your campus as well. Now, if you ask me what are the values that matters, collaboration, curiosity, respect, and growth mindset is what they look for. And what will you get as part of being in this particular program, or the perks, what's in it for you? So you will get the leadership experience. So you will gain real world project management and communication skills, which are really essential if you want to work in an industry. AWS swags and perks. So you will get exclusive early bird access to AWS events, t-shirts, and other goodies for milestones as well. You will be given the AWS credits and the certification vouchers also. So you can run club activities and prepare for your cloud career at the same time. And you will get the global exposure, which is really essential if you want to work along. So you work along with AWS experts, attend AWS summits, community days, and join global captain network as well. It's going to be a career boost. So you will stand out in your resume, LinkedIn, plus receive priority invites for internships and mentorship from industry leaders as well. Now, the crucial point, how to become a captain. So applications for new captain cohort starts from September 1st, 2025. So all you have to do is join the interest list at the link given in the description box below. So you will be notified as soon as the applications opens. So you can prepare your application now. You can show your interest in cloud and community building. include any experience hosting events, clubs, or technology meetups. You can gather a support letter from your faculty advisor, basically confirmation they will support your AWS club on your campus. And you can also create a short video, like it can be of 3 to 5 minutes, explaining an AWS service using a basic slide or a visuals, right? So visuals is what I prefer than the presentation. And you can submit the application during the window, details and the form shared on the AWS Club site. So I'll walk you through that, don't worry. So one important thing, do not use AI tools to write your submission. Be authentic. Personal stories shine brighter than the AI stories, right? And captains like Dhulari Bhushan and Alex have built thriving communities, hosted more than 500 member plus events, connected countrywide clubs, and collaborated with AWS summits as well. So you can become the face of your college tech ecosystem, just like them, right? So if you're looking for the link, so this is a link that I want to share with you. You can get more details about the program here. You can also see the FAQs, right? Who can join the AWS Club Captain and all those things. Now, if you want to join this program, go ahead and click on this interest list, and a form like this will open up. So you can submit. Basically, before this form, you will have to create the builder ID. So if you do not know what's a builder ID, it's like a personal email that you provide to AWS so that they can contact you, and that will be the single email address they will be using for all the community-led events by AWS. So if you do not have that already, go ahead and create it. It's totally free, right? So once you have that, you will be able to log into this site and you see all this information, right? So if you see here, this is not the application form to become the cloud captain. It's a form where you can include your interest in being notified when the application opens up. So the next intake will be in the Q3, which is September 1st, 2025. So you can join if your college has the club already, you can search here as well, right? So you can see all the college clubs that are available, and if there is one, you can join them, or if it is a new club, you can also open the new club, right? So you need to provide your first name, the last name, the email address, and they're asking you, are you currently enrolled in a program of study at institution of higher education? You can write yes. And what's the estimated graduation day? You can provide that as well. In what geographical location your institution is located, you can select the one that is closer to you. If you are in India, you can include Asia Pacific. If you are somewhere else, you can select the region where you belong, right? In what country is your institution located? You can select the country as well. In what city or town is your institution located? You can provide that. And please enter your school, college, university name. And once you have that, if your school, college, university is an active member of AWS Academy program, please include your school's name here by visiting this one. So most of the colleges in India and other countries as well, they will be part of this AWS Academy program. So if you do not know, consult your lecturer in the college, and you can also verify that here in this particular link, and you can provide the details here. So once you have that, who referred to your college cloud club member, you can just type in AWS community builder, because I'm going to refer you if you want. If you want my email address, I can provide you that as well. So you can select AWS community builder, and I'll provide the email address as well. So this is my email address. If you are applying, go ahead and give this email address, and you should be able to, I should be able to refer you. Okay. So you can select community builder, provide my email address here. So if you heard about community clubs through an event, please tell us the event name, date, and the location. If there is anything else that you would like to let us know, you can provide that as well, and click on submit. Again, letting you know, this is not the application form. Once the application form opens up, I'll provide a complete walkthrough of the application, but this is for you to notified when the application opens up. Okay, so this is what I wanted to cover in this particular video. For all of you who are submitting this application, I wish you all the best. And I hope that you all get into this program, because I am someone who has gained a lot of insights by joining this particular program, or something similar to this. So if you are liking the content that I'm creating, please consider subscribing and share it with your friends. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.